Hi, and welcome to IDI. My name is Meghan Yang, and I will be your tutor through this course. Like a lot of you, interior design is my second career. I quit my full time job and went back to school to get my bachelor's in design and have never looked back. I was fortunate enough to start my firm in 2009, and I have been working ever since. Most of my work is in builder spec from ground up and major renovation. And I've also done commercial and restaurants as well. So I feel like I've been pretty lucky as far as that goes and have a good, well rounded background to be able to answer your questions and help you along the way. If there's one piece of advice I could give you as you go through this course, it would be to give yourselves patience and grace. Working online is new for a lot of people, and so is the language of design, not just the verbiage, but the floor plans. So please just give yourself time, patience, and definitely reach out to me anytime for the guidance and direction that I'm able to help you with, because that's what I would love to be able to do. So if you keep those in mind, the one other thing that I would say is one of my favorite quotes that helps me get through projects is to always think of things as puzzles, not problems. There's always going to be problems that come up or issues that come up on job sites and through this course and through life in general. And if we're able to think of them as puzzles, then they have solutions. And there's always a solution in design. It just might not be the one that you thought of right off the bat. So that is my advice to you as you move through this course. I hope that you are able to love it as much as I do and that you realize that I'm a resource here to help you. So make sure you message me anytime, and I'm excited to see what you put out and what you grow. Bye for now.